How to create a website on Mozello. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Mozello and how you can create a website. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, the link will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Along with the link, you'll also find a promo code, discount codes that you can apply on your checkout page and save money. Because Mozello is not free, there is a pricing plan, but we'll get into that later. You can create a website over here. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and sign up. Sign up process is actually pretty simple. Click on sign up, fill out this form, and then simply click on create my website. After that, you'll basically create your website over here, add your title or brand name, and move this circle over here. There's like a reCAPTCHA. I just want to, there you go, over that. And I'll just call it, Tasty Treats. Click on done. And then you simply select one of the templates over here and get started. So you can see most of them are different. Just simply hit the online store and then select the one you want. This coffee one looks good, so we're going to select that. And then this is going to be your editor. Here you can edit your website however you want. Change the image, change the text, change the button. On the left hand side, you'll have all of your main options like design, extras, settings, all of that. Once you've done editing the website, you can just simply go ahead and basically click on the publish button over here and add your phone number and click on next, right? And you're pretty much done. It's as simple as that. And now if you're wondering how much it costs because it's not free, here is the pricing plan. You can see right here, free, premium plus, free, premium, premium plus, all right? So you can see all the pros and cons, and then you can just simply hit the start creating button once you've signed up, and it's as simple as that. So make sure you check the link in the description below for those discounts, and it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.